Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this Samsung. Firstly, go into tab menu and look for location icon, then click on it. Over here you need to select close, and now when I go back I can see that location is now off. If you wish to turn it back on, you need to click at the same icon. But you can also just go into settings, scroll down, choose location over here and manage it by clicking on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!